Wisconsin Department of Health Services confirmed the first case of West Nile virus in the state this year. A person in Barron County tested positive. Mosquitoes collected in Milwaukee and Lafayette counties also tested positive. West Nile spreads to people, birds, and other animals through mosquito bites. An average of 18 West Nile virus cases are reported in Wisconsin each year.